it's Darla. Thank you for joining me again today. Thank you to all the new subscribers and welcome to my channel. So today is another tutorial trade crochet collaboration, and how it all started and who was involved will be in the description box. I've made a playlist and put all the videos in there. I was to challenge somebody else to make my top, and then I was going to do an item of theirs that they've designed. And so many people are making my top, and this is the top right here. I'll show you. I do have a tutorial on my channel. How it's made is, it's made in one piece. You start at the bottom, you work your way up and around the back. So you end up working side to side. It's all one piece, except you do have to sew the sides here and you're done. So it's really easy. I think it's pretty fast to do. So someone who actually challenged me to make their tutorial was Crochet. And it's a cute little capelet. I love it. She put up her challenge video last night, and I've already started on the capelet. It's not complete, but I will show you a reveal video when it's done. So, I think I put her video in the playlist. If I didn't, I will do it. And that link will be in the description box. So if you want to get involved and you want me to do a tutorial of yours, just let me know. And like I said, so many people are already making my top, and they're, some of them don't have tutorials on their channels, which is perfectly fine. And, I love everybody's tops. I love to see the different yarns they use, the different colors they use. One lady used, she put sleeves on hers. Mine doesn't have sleeves. She put sleeves on hers, and I thought that's really cute. So you can change it up, do it however you want to do it. And I think that's great, because then it gives me other ideas. Hey, yeah, I like that. I'll do that next time, or whatever. We help each other out that way, and I think it's fantastic. Okay, so I think that's all I have to say right now. Check out Karina Anna Crochet. And like I said, the link will be in the description box. And Karina, I accept your challenge, darling. I'm gonna do that capelet. I've already got started. I'm so excited. And I'm using the yarn I have here. I'm not buying any other yarn. I'm using the yarn I have. And it's looking sweet already. Thank you so much, Karina. Oh no, sorry. Okay, so I'll let you go for now, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.